Good design is sustainable design. It breathes, it illuminates, it inspires, and it lasts. A pod is a prefabricated, modular spatial entity designed to service a building with a range of applications, such as kitchens, bathrooms, en-suites, laundries and robes, reducing the requirement for complex on-site trades. The pod's design protocols incorporate sustainable features such as solar design, thermal mass and natural ventilation methods. They are highly durable, low maintenance and fitted with the latest energy and water saving devices, which will reduce energy costs and the building's carbon footprint. Podfirst is committed to creating smarter, sustainable buildings that integrate the latest building technology to create affordable, modular buildings with endless design possibilities.
My name is Jeffrey Pye, I'm an architect. With our planning of this remote area work, we were frustrated by the fact that we had to take plumbers and drainers and electricians and tilers, goodness knows what, on an expensive flight to wherever we had to go and back again. The cost of doing their work really was so frustrating that we came up together we came to get forward with this idea of having some pods that were built in the factory, loaded on a truck and taken out and placed on site, already finished, right down to the last T.
Podfirst pod has a unique roof and wall and floor system. The walls are erected within one day and then tied together by a structural concrete floor and concrete roof. All the services are provided within the concrete floor, and the pod is simply lifted up by a crane and transported to site and plugged into the existing electrical and plumbing services, ready to go.
The pod technology takes advantage of cutting-edge building applications such as the award-winning Ritec XL wall system, integrated with a unique concrete roof and floor system. An average-size project home takes between 20 to 24 weeks to build by conventional construction methods. A Podfirst home can be constructed within 6 weeks or less. Pod construction begins with assembly of the Ritec XL wall system. As the pod shape is formed, the panels are fixed together and held in place with bracing. Timber beams are used as formwork to support and shape the polystyrene before concrete is poured. Services such as floor waste, plumbing and electrical are strategically planned in advance and set in place prior to concrete pour. Reinforcing mesh combined with the polystyrene connects the floor to the wall system and roof, creating a solid structural pod. The pods are BCA compliant, can be fully customised and are available in any size, configuration or architectural finish. The walls provide structural support and can be stacked for multi-level applications such as units and apartments. Pods can also be used for motels or mining accommodation. A concrete mix is first poured over the floor area between the polystyrene formwork and services. The wall system is filled next. Entry points first, such as windows and openings, and then from the top. Aluminium extrusion capping is placed over the concreted wall openings to waterproof the area and provide clean horizontal surfaces. The pod's roof concrete is poured last and then levelled as with the floor. The pod's internal layouts can now be finalised. Stub partitions are created and contain detailed components such as plumbing and electrical. Waterproofing is then applied to areas that are designated to be tiled. Windows are fitted to the pods and a plasterer sets the joins between each of the Ritec panels. These are then sanded back smooth prior to the render. The painted render finish is applied using rock coat. The pods are now ready to be fully fitted with items such as tiles, toilets, showers, cabinets and cooktops prior to transportation. The pods are supplied connection ready and are simply plugged into plumbing and electrical services on site. The concrete structure that forms the pod provides a sound structure that is cyclone rated. The concrete shell protects the pods during lifting and prevents damage to internal components, ensuring that the pods are delivered on site ready for use. Patented in Australia and overseas, the pod requires very little ground preparation as foundations and slabs are not required. The pods are both durable and low maintenance. 100% recyclable, pods can be transported to other sites for reuse. Incorporating pods into your next building project can significantly reduce on-site waste and thus reduce landfill. Pods are cyclone rated. Each pod can provide instant cyclone shelter, and they are suitable for use in corrosive or marine environment. With a reduction of on-site trades required and faster construction times, the pods can benefit a large range of projects including remote housing and accommodation, aged care, residential housing developments, detached and multi-residential, infrastructure such as local, state and federal, defence accommodation, correctional facilities, social housing, worker accommodation, multi-residential building and tourism accommodation. Podfirst. For further information, please visit www.podfirst.com.au.